Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can turn off color inversion problem. You can see the colors are different in this mode. How you can turn off this and normalize your phone in Realme device. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your settings, click on accessibility, swipe down like this. You can see, go to accessibility shortcuts, or if it is not there, then you have to swipe up like this. Click on color and motion, click on color inversion, and here you have to disable this. Friends, you can see it is in normal colors. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching.